This is the transportation unit. It's a 2004 International 3800 school bus, 38 feet long. We bought this last year in April as a functioning school bus. Have done a bunch of work to it to make it into more of a toy hauler, so it's easier and more comfortable for us when we're heading out west, getting ready to go from Wisconsin to Wyoming. Show you all what the inside looks like quick. Done an okay amount of work in here, trying to cover up some of the sound with kind of a dual layer engine cover. We've got electrical running through here. We have an option where you can either hook up to the generator box in the back or run it off of this power inverter. So that's enough to power the Xbox and the TV going down the road. Got a fridge in here for the summer months. Got some bench seats with a table that folds down into a twin mattress. Got a little extra seating up here that's just out of an old Tahoe. And then a full-size couch back there that folds out into a queen frame. Well, we've made it to Wyoming, not quite to our destination yet, but a good time to show everyone what we've got here. So we've got a 22 Boost Pro on the back. It's got a 21 Chaos 850 155 on the trailer. Got a 23 Pro 850 155. Got another 21 Chaos 155. Back here, we've got a 22 Chaos 155. And then rounding out the lineup, we've got a brand new 23 9R 155.
Which way you want to go?
Really like getting their shoulders out of their sockets. I've got a deal for you.
I fucking center a little too fucking hard, bud. I really hope I. Oh, fuck!
Oh God, please, no! 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 No!
Yeah, looks like they actually got that 92 inches of snow up here. Yeah, she's deep.
Brody, you got yourself in a bit of a hole down there.